Hey, good morning. This is Futures to More and Futures Networks Live. Derek with you. Hawaiian music is a big wave, Derek. Hawaiian music playing in the background. Thought we'd do a quick one today because it's simple. Backtested call was for a long up, even though we saw a wave 5 complete that we thought was a completion. And sure enough, it went short. So we lost all three at market. Go over to limit orders. We'll show you what happened, where my limit orders were. And we got into the S&P, we got into the NASDAQ, but we did not get into the Russell. That's the downside, I guess, of limit orders. There was no wick, just went down. So we made 2 out of 3, 1 no trade. We lost all 3 on the market. And let's see how we did end of day and our totals. And we'll have a very short one today. So this is where we're at. We pretty much split the uprights on all 3 of the markets from my predictions. So we kind of had an up and down day yesterday. We're still above all the EMAs, which is a good sign. 4191 is still the support that we've been looking for. We tested it again. So 4202 or 4235. I mean, ideally, I'd like to get back up and test the old all-time high, which looks like we might be able to. Any close up in this area would be glorious. So that's what the final looks like on the S&P. And we'll go look at the NAS, we'll look at the Russell, and then our totals and done. All right, same look on the NASDAQ. 13,650 is still support. We tested the 10-day again, some sideways chop for the last week. So the EODs are 13,675 or 13,756, and I'll place the markers. And there we go. This is how I see the end of the day. So we'll see how that goes. Well, and the Russell is still the most bullish that I see. We finally closed above 2280, and we actually got above that 2290 line that I've had. So, but we're getting a nice pullback today. I hope we bounce off the 2280. We could pull all the way back down to that 2270 line and then go back up. As long as we stay above 2265 right now, I think we're good. So end of day, 2285 or 2317. All right, that's where it looks like at the end of day. I'll be honest, I think it's gonna be tough to get up to my prediction because it went up to the R2 and pulled back. So in some ways I almost wanna reallocate here, but I'll leave it. All right, and here are the totals. We got a loss, all 3, 21 points. Negative 138 currency units. And then on the limit orders, we were in 2 trades, 32 points, plus 176 currency units. Thanks for being with Futures to More, Futures Networks Live, and Positive Points for Breakfast. Continue to learn, continue to grow, and be more positive and profitable in your trading. See you tomorrow. Aloha.